Welcome back to Entrepreneur Brain. Today, we're diving into one of the most debated questions in the world of investing: Bitcoin versus gold. Which one truly deserves your hard-earned money? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the clarity you need to make a smart decision. Let's get started. First, let's meet our contenders. Gold, a timeless treasure. For over 5,000 years, it's been a symbol of wealth, power, and security. It's tangible, you can hold it, and its value has stood the test of time. On the other hand, we have Bitcoin, the digital gold of the 21st century. Launched in 2009, it's decentralized, scarce, and operates without a middleman. It's the ultimate modern hedge against inflation, or is it? So, what happens when tradition meets technology? Let's break it down. Gold's value has been relatively stable for centuries. It's considered a safe haven during economic uncertainty, which is why central banks hoard it. But it's not without flaws. Gold prices can stagnate, and it's not immune to economic pressures. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is known for its wild price swings. One year it's up 200%, the next it's down 50%. Its value is driven by market sentiment, adoption rates, and, let's be honest, some hype. So, if you're looking for stability, gold might seem like the winner. But don't count Bitcoin out just yet. There's more to uncover. Gold is scarce, but new deposits are still being discovered. In contrast, Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. Every 4 years, a halving event reduces the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation, making it increasingly scarce over time. This built-in scarcity is why some people argue Bitcoin is even better than gold in the long term. But what about accessibility and usability? Imagine trying to buy a cup of coffee with a gold bar. Not very practical, right? Gold is heavy, cumbersome, and difficult to transport. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is 100% digital. You can send it across the globe in minutes with just an internet connection. But here's the catch: Bitcoin transactions rely on technology. No internet, no transactions. Gold, however, doesn't need Wi-Fi to shine. Still, there's more to consider. Gold is immune to cyber attacks, but it's not safe from theft. You need secure storage, which can be expensive. Bitcoin, while digital, faces risks like hacking, scams, and losing access to your wallet. So, which is riskier? It depends on how you store and manage your investment. But let's talk about something even more exciting: growth potential. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has outperformed nearly every other asset class, including gold. Its meteoric rise has created millionaires, but it's also left others reeling from massive losses during bear markets. Gold, while not as explosive, has shown consistent growth over centuries. It's a slow and steady contender, which can be comforting for risk-averse investors. So, if you're chasing high returns, Bitcoin might be the thrill you're looking for. But if you value slow and steady growth, gold could be your golden ticket. Gold has an emotional value that Bitcoin simply doesn't offer. It's been passed down through generations, used in jewelry, and carries a sense of tradition. Bitcoin, however, represents a new era, the digital revolution. It's about looking forward, not back. This difference might not affect your wallet, but it certainly adds another layer to the debate. All right, it's time to answer the big question: Bitcoin or gold? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a stable, time-tested store of value, gold is your go-to. But if you're looking for growth potential and are willing to take on some risk, Bitcoin could be the future. Or why not both? Diversifying your investments can give you the best of both worlds. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the better investment and why. Thanks for watching Entrepreneur Brain. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing wisely.